Your container has arrived. It's time to look it over and make sure you got what you purchased. If you've purchased a used container, there can be heavy signs of use, including dents, dings, and surface rust. All industry standard conditions for a used container. One-trip containers may have minor scuffs from handling, but otherwise will be damage-free. Inspect the doors to make sure they operate. Walk inside the container and close the doors to make sure no light is visible. This ensures the unit is wind and watertight. And finally, check the floorboards to make sure they are secure. If everything checks out, sign the delivery ticket and we're complete. If you notice a problem, don't worry. Follow these easy steps to get the things resolved quickly. Call your point of contact and explain the problem. Try to do this while the driver is still there. We may need to ask him questions. If you can't reach us by phone, send us an email and attach an image of the problem. Don't refuse delivery of the container. This will trigger a return trucking charge that can't be refunded. Most problems can be solved easily with one of our repair options. The first option is to have repairs done by a local contractor you hire. We'll authorize the amount in advance, so you know the repair budget. Once agreed, we'll credit the repair fee back to you. If you don't have a contractor, we'll hire one to complete the repairs. This option can take a little longer, as we may not have a local contractor on call in your area. We use the aforementioned repair options because transport costs are significant and usually far exceed any profit margin we may have in the transaction. The last two options are rare and for extreme circumstances only. If the container is not repairable, we can start the process of return or refund. This process requires a return authorization from our suppliers. We'll gather support documentation and coordinate the return or exchange of the container. The best protection against a bad experience is to do your homework first. Make sure you clearly understand your product choice, and if you're unsure, ask questions first. We love shipping containers and all the amazing solutions they provide, so no question is a silly one. Good luck with your shipping container project, and happy container shopping at ContainerDiscounts.com.